Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from Japan. This is a Zenpop box. You can go to Zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Yeah, this has 7 different varieties of ramen inside, and generally they're all ones I haven't tried. So, yeah, let's crack it open and check it out. Nice. So when you crack open the box, you'll find this card, and it has a little bit of information about their ramen boxes and their snack boxes and everything, and how they've upgraded their snack boxes. And yeah, I'm doing unboxing of those as well now. And then there's this really important leaflet. This has a link on it, and from this link you can find out all the ins and outs of all the varieties that are in, allergens, backstory, preparation, etc. So you should hang on to this thing. And I'm going to use this and go through everything that's in the box. Alright, first off from Marashan, we have Ganbare, Jukensai, Menzukuri, Katsuobushi, Karo, Gyokai, Shoyu. So I'm guessing this one's going to be a shoyu variety, but it's going to have a little bit of a katsuobushi flavor, which is smoked fish. And here's another Ganbare variety. This is Ganbare Jukensai Hot Wonton Katsuobushi Karo Tamago Soup, again from Marashan. Tamago are fish eggs, and this sounds really like it's going to be quite good. Wonton men is really good too, so yeah, looks interesting. And here's one from Nissin. This is their yakisoba. This is UFO, Koi Koi Tarako. And I think I've had this one before. I'm not positive, but yeah, I think this is another one that has either fish or squid or octopus. I can't remember what the deal is with this one, so we will see. And then here's one from Sapporo Ichiban. This is Kuzefuku Mainichi Yasai Dashi Shio Ramen. And this looks familiar. I may have had something from this range. I don't know, but Shio Ramen sounds good. Here we go. This one's from Ace Cook, and this is one of their Maruuma range. This is their Tonkatsu ramen. And if you find these in stores in North America, they're pretty spendy, so this is quite a score. And I don't know that I've ever had the Tonkatsu before, so these usually are quite good, so I'm looking forward to it. Cool, thanks. And another from Ace Cook. This is Tategata Nomihosu Nigata Nagaoka Shoga Shoyu Ramen. And yeah, this one's got a sachet on top. This is kind of reminiscent of the Maruuma range. This, I don't know, we'll find out. And finally, to round out the box, we've got Nissin no Asari Odashi ga Oishi Donbei Kizame Age Udon. So I know kizame is ginger, and it's udon, and then it's a Nissin Donbei bowl. I'm generally not super keen on these bowls, but you never know. I'm not surprised when I'm surprised. So, surprised? So in this, the March 2023 Ramen Blossom Zenpop box, you get udon, shoyu, yakisoba, tonkatsu, wonton, shoyu, shio, a card, and an informative leaflet. Well, thank you very much yet, as always, and again to the nice folks over at Zenpop.jp for sending these boxes along. And yeah, I'm going to be doing boxes and tastings with my daughter Mimi of the snack boxes, so that's fun. I already did the first one, so you'll see more of those coming soon. And yeah, if you want to get one of these, go to Zenpop.jp and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.